Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a very vintage chainsaw bar, and it fits the McCulloch Super Pro 125. It's a 54-inch Cannon bar made exclusively for the McCulloch 125, and it's in very good shape. Has a brand new 404 sprocket nose. Now the rails are in very good shape. It comes with a brand new piece of that very rare Oregon 52 AJ. That's that 404 chisel bit skip tooth 63 gauge. Very popular combination for this vintage McCulloch bar. If you need a long bar for your 125 McCulloch, here's a really nice one.